Hello, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you some trains running, and I've been busy. I've connected the last wires on the tracks. As you can see here, I have cleaned most of the tracks, all of the tracks, and I've put on some buildings. It has some battle scars, but that will be fixed. We have the station is now in its location where it's going to be, and you can see there are wires coming underneath, from underneath the building. They are from the points. As you can see, the point motors are connected up. These two here are connected in pair. So if this one is straight, then that one is curved, and if this one is curved, that one is straight. Let me demonstrate. And you can see what happens. Oops. Straight on and curved. Why is this? Well, very simple. If that one is straight, this one cannot be like this, because the train coming from there would ride it open. That's not a good practice, so that's why this is done. This also goes for these two here. These two, they are also connected in parallel. Oh, different. Wait a moment. You can see they are also in tandem. This is also clever if you don't have enough outputs on your decoder. I now I now control 6 points turnouts with only one decoder, which has 4 outputs. Let's run some trains. Thank you for watching. Any questions? Put them in the description down below. Put them down below. And yeah, see you next time. Goodbye.